The Hampton Bay Pergola was sold at Home Depot. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your pergola, please refer to the manufacturer model number GFM00467. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the pergola is 9.5 feet by 9.5 feet square. A few key identifiers for this pergola are square frame posts, flat roof, retractable awning. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Hampton Bay Pergola. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Ripblock 350 and Ripblock 500. Ripblock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura Pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.